ब्राइट एंड हैप्पी, बिल्कुल पार्टी के मूड में सोनम कपूर आई थी अपनी फिल्म खूबसूरत के डीवीडी लॉन्च इवेंट के लिए। और यहाँ उतनी ही एक्साइटमेंट के साथ सोनम ने ये डीवीडी लॉन्च भी की। और साथ ही अपनी अपकमिंग फिल्म्स डॉली की डोली और प्रेम रतन धन पायो से जुड़ी कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग डिटेल्स भी शेयर की।
I signed Prem Ratan before I signed Dolly Ki Dolly. Both of them are very important to me in different ways, and Arbaz will always be my favorite producer. Not that I'm saying that Arbaz is my favorite Khan brother, but I love both of them. Dolly Ki Dolly 12th को हम ट्रेलर लॉन्च करने वाले हैं। ऐसी फिल्म है जिसे बनाते वक्त मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया, and I'm proud to be a part of another great product, and hopefully I will also be launching the DVD of that next year with a lot of fanfare and happiness.
लेकिन इस फन मूड के बीच जब वुमेन सेफ्टी और दिल्ली में एक बार फिर एक कैब में हुए रीसेंट इंसिडेंट का सवाल उठा तो सोनम हो गई सीरियस और उन्होंने दिल खोलकर जाहिर कर दी अपने अंदर की भड़ास।
What's your reaction कि जो एक ऑथराइज्ड कैब्स होते हैं उसमें भी वुमेन सेफ नहीं है अब?
Honestly, obviously जो हुआ है वो बहुत ही खराब और भयंकर, it's an awful thing to have happened, 150%, and women are just generally not safe. Bombay में we have a little bit of, we are not as bad as they are off in Delhi. I know that क्योंकि on Saturday night I was out and I had taken a cab back home. I had taken an Uber back home and I reached home safe. But honestly, it's not the fault of the cab companies or the cabs or anything. It's the fault of the government in a lot of ways, according to me, because they've given a clarification, a character certificate, right, to the cab driver, if I'm not mistaken. Am I right? Yes. So the punishment and the rules have to be more stringent from the government side. Are you saying that if a rape takes place in a public transport vehicle, they're going to ban public transport? So I think it works either way. It's the niyat insan ki change honi chahiye. You can't ban things saying that we have to ban this, we have to ban that. लड़कियों को छोटे कपड़े पहनने में भी बैन कर लो कि ये कपड़े मत पहनो, ऐसी मतलब देयर सेइंग कि ये लड़की सो क्यों गई कैब में, यू नो व्हेन द निर्भया थिंग हैपन कि अरे व्हाई डिड शी गो फॉर अ लेट नाइट मूवी, वो बस में क्यों चली गई, व्हाई डिड शी गो टू अ प्राइवेट बस, व्हाई वी इवन आस्किंग दीज क्वेश्चंस? Is that why is a man acting like this? That is a question that needs to be asked. First of all, mothers need to bring up their men in a certain way कि ये तेरा लाडला है पर ये लाडला भी पागल हो सकता है, and do not make him into this, put him up on a pedestal. He needs to learn from a young age that you need to treat a woman right, and a woman is not to be treated like an object and not to be treated badly just because she's a woman. So that needs to be taught to the child since a young age. It's the way that the men in our country have been brought up. That is what is wrong with the country. It has nothing to do with anything else. According to me, that is the basic issue. So when we solve that issue, all these things will not happen. So by banning things, by going after certain things, that to a certain extent there will be a little bit of safety that we're not going in a cab. But how long can we keep doing that? That means we don't go for late night movies, we don't go to a pub, we don't have late nights. I don't know, there's a lot of issues, and this is a very superficial way of trying to solve something. There is a deep-rooted cause for it, and that needs to be solved first.
In fact, this was not all, क्योंकि इसके बाद recently objectification of women को लेकर दीपिका पादुकोण के एक print media के साथ हुए झगड़े पर सोनम ने कहा था कि women should first stop objectifying themselves, और उस statement पर भी सोनम ने यहाँ clarify किया अपना stand.
Women need to stop objectifying themselves. That's what I was trying to say. It's like when you go into I'm not saying that you wear whatever you want, do whatever you want, but don't try to sell yourself as a sexual object, then people will not. I'm not saying that you don't wear a swimsuit and you don't do this and you don't do that, but if you're going to behave in a certain way, then certain people look at you like that. But it has nothing to, I don't know how to explain it. It's like when we see a kiss in a Hollywood film and we see a kiss in a Bollywood film, it's how we look at it. It has nothing to do with what is portrayed. It's बोलते, I don't know, my grandmother said कि किस नज़र से आप देखते हो. अगर आप बुरी नज़र से देखते हो तो वो बुरा ही लगेगा आपको. अगर आप अच्छी नज़र से देखोगे तो it's actually the mindset of the people that needs to change. You can't say, are you saying that the way Helen danced is different from anything else? It's just the mindset of the people of that time. They do not look at it as something cheap. If we look at it as something cheap, then it becomes cheap. If we do not look at it as it being cheap, then it's not cheap.
Well, तो ये रही the strong-headed and confident Sonam Kapoor at the DVD launch event of her film Khoobsurat. Here's wishing her good luck for her upcoming Dolly Ki Doli and Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. Suruchi Mahathpurkar, Co-Raising, Mumbai.